Hello, in this lesson we will proceed with our work. In the project manager we have created our campaign. So now we have everything we need. We have title, we have description, we have contact information. Alright, so everything seems to be fine. Just in the usernames, I forgot to import some different usernames. I have a file for this purpose. Alright, so we will have different usernames for our campaign as well. Okay, now we have 300 usernames. We'll click on save and we are ready for the next step, which is importing catalogs and directory backlinks for our submission. You should click on catalog base, and now you will need to select some directory backlinks. Alright, I will give it the name 1 and I will select some sites. This will so you will create a category, and here you must click with the right button of your mouse and import from ESD4 format. I have a lot of catalogs. I've bought them online, so you can go to because it's a Russian program, the best option is to go to google.ru, which stands for Russian, and find some categories. Now I'm importing some sites, but you can go to Google, Russian Google, and type directories for AllSubmitter. Alright, and it will give you some options. The first one is the website, the creator. You can buy some new directories from there, and the other sites will give you option to submit some to buy some directories from their sites. Alright, so now we have added 4,519 directories. I'll click OK, and we are ready for the final part, which is automatic submission. Here's the catalog base, and then we'll need to click to automatic submission. Here it is. We will need to select sky painting and decorating. In this case, this is our website, and then click on choose button, and now we are ready to go. Here on the top we'll need to select the category, which is number 1, as you remember. Right, something is not right. Let's go to catalog manager again. Seems to be fine. Yes, here it is. Basically, the button we needed to choose was this one. This one is for another submission, so it's my mistake. You must click after. This is the first step, this is the second, catalog base, and this is the third one, automatic submission. You will have an option for a semi-automatic submission, but I'm not using this one because it will take a lot of time. Okay, so we have the category, everything is ready. So here we can detect CAPTCHA, and also we can ignore CAPTCHA if possible. And the third option is to use the service, which is in my opinion not very convenient. It will have I have tried to buy some CAPTCHAs from the service, but it wasn't successful. So basically I will rely on the program itself to fill the CAPTCHAs, and if you have some time you can type your CAPTCHAs yourself manually. So let's go back to category selection. Let's click on exact match, and it will choose the categories for submission based on your preferences, which you've made from here. As you remember, you can use this file categories in your bonuses folder. Basically, in your bonuses folder, you will find this files. The first one is the backlinks. We've already talked about. This is a nice trick. You can use it for submitting your website to the directories with a link from their part, which is reciprocal link. Okay. The next one, you will find the categories here. We have some English categories, we have some Russian categories there, and the description, which is in this bracket. Instead of XXX, you must replace it with your website. And here we have another XXX. You must put your keywords there. Instead of XXX, I will write it. Here, use your website or your company name. Okay, instead XXX. Okay, and here is the same. Use your keywords instead of XXX in spinnable format. Alright, so far so good. The first name, you can use these ones. You can scrape some from Scrapebox. You can use this file as well, last names, or you can scrape from Scrapebox, and for the short description it is the same information, but it is a little bit shorter. Alright, short description. And you can use again your keywords instead of XXX. Again in spinnable format. Alright, let's go back to our website. After that, you must click on Not Exact Match. It will add some new categories here. So our program is almost ready for submission. Alright, it's ready. So you can select the number of flows, which is streets in English. You can select 10 if you have powerful computer, or even 20, but usually I will go with 5. Okay, we're ready. We will click on register, and as you can remember from Article Marketing Robot lessons, in Article Marketing Robot, first you will need to register to the article directory sites, and then you must, after you have registered and confirmed your email, you must have submitted your website to this Article Marketing Robot. So the process was in 2 steps. Here in AllSubmitter, the directories, with the registration of the form, you will submit your website as well. So it is a little bit more complicated, and then you would confirm your submission. Don't forget to confirm your submission to these directories, otherwise they will not accept your link. Let's click on register, and let's see the program in action. As you can see, it's working now. You can click on submission results and see that we have one successfully added website here. If we click on captcha, as you can see, we're waiting for some captchas to be downloaded, and we can manually type captcha, or we can leave the program itself to put the captchas there. Alright, here's the process for 4,000 directories. We have 5 submissions. We have some failed one as well, 9 failed, 2 successful. 1 will be added later. This program is not very fast. Of course, it depends on your PC, but you can put 15 if you have very good connection in computer, and you can use it for your campaigns. Right, so here are the results. We have 11 failed, successfully added 5, 6. I am waiting for some captchas so I can show you. How you can add some. You can see these ones are without captcha. Here are some directories with captcha. So we will have to wait a while. I will click pause and then go back when we have some captchas here. Alright, so here we will have some captchas. I just wanted to show you how they look like. So far we have 24 successful submissions, later 6 and failed 116. Now the program will come to this site with some captchas. Yes, here it is, and as you can see, it recognized the captchas very well, so you will need to click on submit, and that's all. Sometimes it will not recognize captchas, so you will have to type it manually. It is very tedious process. You will need to work a lot for these captchas, but if you have some time, I would suggest to manually type these captchas, because the program itself is not as powerful as Extrumer, for example, when it comes to captcha recognition. Right, and the other option is to write to this guys here, Antigate, and use their service. But so far I'm not very happy with their customer support. Anyways, that's about this program. I will leave it as it is, and in the next lesson we will see the results and we will confirm our registration in these directories.